Today I'm going to show you how to make chains. So this is how you begin crocheting by making a slip knot. So just lay the yarn over like this, and I just rotate it, the needle, so that there's a twist in the yarn, and then I start. So this is chain 1, under and through, under, through. And of course I'm doing it on the wrong end. So if you make that mistake, you'll find out quickly, and then you'll have to reverse. So let's start again. So lay the yarn, twist, and then you're ready to go with the right end. So that's chain 1, under, through, under, through, under, through. And then you could do this quite fast. So notice how I'm holding the yarn. I'm kind of holding it and with some tension. And I could go really fast and make all these chains. See? Nice chains. Nice even chains. So you'll need to practice that. Again, I'll show you. It's under, through. Let's start again. So just drape the yarn like this. Rotate the needle so there's a twist in the yarn. Hold it with this finger and pull it through. And that's one chain. And then you continue doing them. Continue making as many chains as you need.